Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I show you a Canva clone image to PDF editor that I developed right in the browser itself. So this is a static application which runs without the server. It can run without internet. It actually converts a series of images to PDF. So it's simple image to PDF converter tool that I developed using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And this is actually the user interface. Here you will simply select PNG or JPG images. You can select multiple images. Let's suppose I select these 4 images, and now we have a simple button which as soon as you click this button, all the images that you selected will be converted to PDF and the PDF file will be downloaded. It's a Canva clone image to PDF editor, and if you open the PDF file right here, you will see it contains 4 pages in the PDF. This is the first page, second page, third page and the fourth page. It's a simple image to PDF converter website, and this is actually the 3 files here you will get after you purchase it. The link is given in the description. You can go to my website procodestore.com. It's a static website which runs in the browser. After the source, you will be redirected to Google Drive after the payment, and you will actually get this zip file. You just need to extract this zip file which will contain these 3 files. So you come to your VS Code, you can run this locally. Simply run this file in the browser. So this file will load. You will see I'm running it in the browser, localhost locally. So simply you basically select a bunch of images that you need to convert. Simply click the button and the output file will be downloaded. You will see the image will take the full space in the page, and it can be PNG, it can be JPG file as well. So you can see PNG.jpg file. So you can see that it totally depends upon the size of the image, so it totally resize the PDF page as well. So it's an all-in-one script. The link is given in the description. So for building this I used Bootstrap and PDF-LIB. Bootstrap, if you don't know, it's a user interface framework, very popular. Bootstrap, I use this, and also I have used this PDF-LIB library as well, which is a JavaScript library for modifying PDF documents or creating PDF documents right in the browser itself. So we have used these 2 open source packages for building this application. So it's very easy to deploy this application as well. So if you want to deploy this inside your own website to any shared hosting, you can easily deploy this tool. You just need to upload these 3 files to your shared hosting. The link is given guys in the description. You can directly purchase it. Once you purchase it, you will be automatically be redirected and you will be getting this zip file from Google Drive automatically. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image.